what's up? Welcome to Cakes by Anna. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make bakery style choco chip muffins but eggless. So let's get started. So for this recipe you require 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt, half cup plus 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 3/4 cup of dark chocolate chips, 1/4 cup of curd, 3/4 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, 1/3 cup of oil and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Make sure that all your ingredients are in room temperature. And like always, the link for the written recipe is given in the description box below. You can go and check that out. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do give this recipe a try and comment down below how it turned out to be. Do